Welcome to your Michigan Compass. Today, we're stepping outside the boundaries of Michigan by about a half a mile. We're in Fremont, Indiana at Jellystone Campground. This is also the largest Jellystone campground in the Midwest, complete with a water park. The splash area you just saw is for younger kids, and this is the first of 3 swimming pools that are outdoor, but they also have one that's indoors, making it perfect for colder days or days when it's raining. This area between the pools features a tiki hut where you can buy assorted beverages and snacks, including some frozen drinks, and sit by the poolside and enjoy. Here's our second pool, which features a volleyball net as well as basketball hoops. And finally, heading into our third pool area, a little bit smaller pool, but still rather nice. Most of the pools also feature a shady area where you can sit and keep an eye on your kids. There's also seating available in the sun if you do prefer that. As you've probably already seen in the background there is a splash zone, and they have water slides and a big bucket that dumps water on you. Just past the splash zone area, there's also a couple of larger water slides, and for some reason, you have to pay extra to go on these water slides. Didn't quite understand why or what the purpose was to pay extra, because there's other water slides and there's plenty of pools and plenty of other things to do. I didn't see a whole lot of people using this. This is the indoor pool, and the water was a little bit warmer than the outside pools. This pool is connected directly to the main office and store, which we should probably take a look at because it's one of the biggest campground stores I've seen, and they have tons of souvenirs. This store is so big, I didn't realize until I started editing, I have over 12 minutes of video footage just from this store. So I'm going to cut it down a little bit and just give you a preview of everything. in addition to all the souvenirs, t-shirts, stuffed animals, coffee cups, you name it, they have tons of camping supplies as well. So if you left something at home, don't worry about it, you can probably find it here. And that goes for food as well. There's no need to worry if you're not an expert camper and don't know how to cook up something on the campfire. They have their own restaurant built right in. Starting at lunchtime, you can order pizza, hot dogs, and all kinds of things. They have an ice cream area where you can get ice cream cones, waffle cones. Everything is marked for social distance, and they even have their own dining area. There is no shortage of things to do here at Jellystone Campground. You can meet some new friends, go for a jump on the air pillows, just play around in the sand, or play a round of golf. There's even an arcade right across from the camp store. And if that's not enough, there's several playgrounds throughout the park, as well as a baseball diamond and volleyball net. There's a covered pavilion area where kids can come throughout the day at various times and do different crafts that they have planned for each day. There is a cost associated with most of these crafts, the most expensive of those being the tie-dye t-shirts at about $10 a piece, but they do come out very cool. If you don't own a camper and tents are not your thing, you can rent a cabin here. They are a bit more expensive and they do tend to book up quickly, so if you'd like to do this, I would advise booking ahead of time. This is a very large campground and you will find bathrooms located throughout it. However, the showers are not the greatest with their momentary push on and get water for 10 seconds and then have to push again. It's unfortunate. This is the laundromat. They do have a place where you can do your clothes while you're here. The campground is also located on a small lake. Part of this lake contains a small island which is part of the campground. You can take a bridge across and you could have a campsite on the water, right on the lake. I'll leave a link to Jellystone's Best in the show notes so you can book your next vacation in the Jellystone Campground in Fremont, Indiana. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the compass to subscribe and see more videos just like this one. And remember, adventure is just a short drive away.